gang. I think I got off my pity pot here. I'm gonna turn this day around with a video about H-steaks, okay? And the importance of understanding the H-steak and why it's relevant to any letter that you're currently using. All right, so this is gonna be a part 2 of one that I've already done. And I just want to reiterate some of the points that I mentioned during the first part 1, which is you and I both know that an H-steak has 10 inches from this point to this point, right? So what you want to make sure that you do is down here, I have a marker and a pen, all right? And I set up 10 inches, all right? So I set that up so I have a reference point, because that will usually be where your plastic letter is going to sweet spot the most. Now, something to think about with your H-steak is some H-steaks have these grooves. And I'll tell you, I like these grooves. Here's the reasons why. It provides a little bit of a resistance. And you want resistance for a primary reason. And I'll get that to just a second. But the other thing that you want to remember too is that when you get your H-steaks, they're usually square, meaning that they're straight and that they're level. So when you put your letter on this thing, you know, you're rocking and you're ready to go, all right? But what's going to happen is you're going to install in houses where the yards aren't that great, all right? You see that? So this isn't straight and this isn't level. And so you're going to have to battle this a little bit. Here's another primary example. Look at this thing. Look at it bent over here, and it's bent up like this, all right? So I just want to take a minute to highlight the importance of making sure that you have a snug letter on your H-steak, all right? Because later on, it's going to be super important for you, all right? So let me see. Filming, so just be aware of that.
In this disgusting place.
Yes. All right.
Hello.
Hi, Piper.
Say hi on film.
Do you want to come over and say hi to all my followers?
Okay.
All right, come here.
Good.
Come on.
Take my place.
She'll take one.
Look, Brody.
I know, you have to come here. I have to show you. You're right here on camera. Come up here. All right. So this is Miss Piper. Hi, everybody. Piper is our neighbor. She's the only girl that we have in this house other than Jennifer, and we love her. Hey! Oh my God! Everybody's coming over.
Hi. All right, let Piper come in.
All right, you better go inside. Okay.
Where's Gavin and Aiden?
Where's Gavin and Aiden? I don't know.
We ran.
What's happening, gang?
Charlie, Piper.
Charlie, get back in there!
Emma, come on.
This is just utter chaos.
Come on, Piper.
Get in there, girl. Are you guys bringing back the boys' bikes? Is that what you're
Come
doing?
on, Piper. Well, we ran.
Are you guys officially done with school? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, we ran from them. We've been done.
Is it just you two coming in?
I think Colin's with them.
Who?
Oh.
I think Colin's with them.
Okay, come in.
Where are the boys?
I don't know if I'm gonna
They're
let
walking.
everybody in today right now. I'm trying to get. Hey guys.
What's not happening? Those are the boys' girlfriends that come over to the house. Jennifer loves them too. All right. So I do want to give a big shout out. Remember, you got to take advantage of Lawn Candy Supplies discount code. All right. And because I'm a gambler and I like to lay the lumber down, and football started last night, I want to show you guys what I got from Lawn Candy Supply. So we got some cash, some coins. We got a club. We got a spade. What else do we get? Hearts. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Rolling dirty with the $100 bill. But one of my favorites, I know, we got the horseshoes. We got cards. Hold on. We got the casino. It's all right. You can come in. We got the casino. We got Girls are inside. Yeah, they just came rolling in here. They just interrupted my whole thing.
I love your shirt, by the way, Dad. Biff.
Don't you love Biff? Say hi to everybody.
Hi, guys.
Hey, gang.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. Yeah.
You like Biff?
Be like Biff all the
Colin.
time. Right, Colin? Why don't you have a shirt on, dude?
Because I don't.
All right. Jesus, you're on fire, too. You smell like a dead animal. You rolling around in a carcass?
Oh,
Sorry, Dad.
God. Don't worry about it. All right. So I love this casino set, and I'm in the process of getting this figured out. I like this. Could we not all agree that we need more of this? Just put it down on a hard 8. Anyway, I'm sorry, I got distracted. So I want to use some of these poker chips and show you. So this is a fairly big set of poker chips, okay? I am going to use, this is a Grimco steak, okay? So what I want to show you, and actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to mark it out, okay? So let's do this. I'm going to take the camera. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to show you guys, all right? So let's take a pencil, all right, and line it up. So this is 10 inches, okay? So we're going to probably have a mark right here, and we're going to probably have a mark probably right here, all right? So let's see how this works. All right, let me show you. Put that right there. I'm going to do this the other way. Oh, here we go. All right, so we're lining up our H steak 10 inches with our flutes, okay? Now with a good steak, this should be fine. Now what I want you to see is does this come down nicely? So this is coming down kind of tight, which is not what I want. I don't want it to be too tight. So I'm gonna make an adjustment, all right? I'm gonna make an adjustment. I'm gonna come in a little bit more, okay? All right, I'm gonna come in on the 10 inches. All right, let's come down again. Okay, that's pretty tight actually, but it's not bad. And for the purposes of this video, I want to point out that these grooves in this Grimco steak are creating more tension, which isn't a bad thing. Now, if it's too tight, this thing will buckle, and you don't want to do that. Now I'm going to do it with a different steak. Here. So I'm going to use one of these guys, all right? So let me get, anybody like playing roulette? I love playing roulette. All right, I'm going to do the same thing I just did. I'm going to measure it out, but I'm not going to show you. So just give me 1 second. We're going to measure it out. So we got this one, and we got this one, okay? So we got our 10 inches. All right, I'm going to take my steak that isn't grooved. I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to put it in here. Okay, let's see how she does. Because something tells me she's not going to be that great. Actually, that's not that bad. That actually snugged down pretty good, right? So it's kind of a bit of an effort. I know, what's happening here? There's like 60 people in here. Just like madness. All right, so do you see this tension? This tension wants to be just enough so that you're not bending, okay, or causing any tension within your actual, your letter or your display, okay? But it should be tight enough, okay, that it's hard. Here's the reasons why, all right? This is the second part of this video. I can't, okay. So now we have all of our stuff on H stakes, okay? We have tension applied to the actual display or the actual letter. Now what you're doing is you're working at a house that is a complete and utter disaster, okay? And what you're doing is you're actually putting your display into the ground and you're just hitting rocks. It's a total grind, all right? And what's not happening is you're not lining up your letters, whether it be happy birthday or anything else, okay? And what you're doing is you're putting the stakes in the ground with your displays on it. It's not sitting right, okay? and then you got to force it to get to a point where it's straight, okay? So we're using that mentality right now, all right? And I want you to check this out. Okay, all right. All right, so stay with me, okay? So now we have this in the ground. We've had to fight a little bit getting it into the ground, but because we have some tension, what I want you to stop doing, okay? I want you to stop pulling out your H-stake and readjusting your H-stake to what's happening everywhere else. Because you're gonna have your H-stake in the ground and because you have a little bit of a tension, okay? What I don't want you to do is I don't want you to pull out the stake, okay, and readjust, all right? Because you're gonna have tension between here and this one. What you will be able to do, since this is a little bit off, right? You're gonna be able to pull up on the H stake, on your sign, okay? And let's just say we'll call that level. So there's tension, more than I'd like. But now what you're doing is, instead of adjusting at the base down with your H stake, okay, you're adjusting with the tension on your actual sign, okay? So your first plan of attack is get these guys in the ground. Don't worry about whether it's level or not, okay? Just make sure that there's some tension here, okay? And then when you step back, right? When you step back and look at it, you're gonna know, because you set this thing up where you're gonna actually have tension in your signs, right? That you'll be able to make a height adjustment based on the tension that you already have with the H stake and the actual sign, okay? So make more of the adjustments on the sign, not actually on the H stake. Does that make sense? Right? Because your goal is, once you get these things in, right? Once you get these stakes in, you don't want to pull them back out, because it could just be a huge catastrophe. And you're not being like Biff, okay? And if you're not being like Biff, you're just gonna have like a crappy day. Like, the one place you don't want to have tension is in your marriage, okay? The one place where you do want to have tension is in your display and your H stake. That's how Biff would want it, okay? That's just how he would want it. So hopefully this makes sense. I also want to show you, this is a Luckiest Guy sign that we made. This is like an orange vinyl. So we had this going on, we made that one. And yeah, we got so much more to talk about. Just not that much time. So if you like this video, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. I could really use the help. If you like the video, go ahead and please like it. If you're looking to rent the sign from Sign Fairies and you're in the local Lake Norman area, you can visit signfairies.net. And you can also purchase other different items there. You can purchase a Biff shirt there. Get yourself a little Biff shirt action. And then I wanted to tell you, on the 20th of this month, we're going to do another live stream. And it's going to be marketing focused. We have someone in our group who's a freaking ninja. She's already green lighted. She's going to be a part of it. I don't know if we're going to use Facebook Live or we're going to use Crowdcast, but we'll have to figure it out, because she's really good. The other thing is, do me a favor, check out lawncandysupply.com. No, seriously, I'm right in the middle of something. You're going to come on in and interrupt me?
No, just get in the car.
Oh my God, what's happening now?
We're leaving because Mom doesn't want us inside the house. It's Mom.
Is it Grand Central Station?
Yeah, like Biff.
Everybody needs a Biff shirt.
Yeah.
Are you guys coming out now?
Should we all get a family
We got
picture with the
yelled
Biff?
Should we all get a family picture? Let's get a family picture. Come here. Come on, Colin.
Wait, we're missing one.
Oh, we're actually taking it?
No, well, it's just going on right now. We'll still shout it. Here, we'll shoot over. We'll
Shoot
just
over?
say, we'll scoot over. We'll just say,
Biff.
be like Biff.
Be like Biff, guys.
That's it. Be like, just be like Biff.
Be like Colin.
Yeah. Make sure you wear a shirt over to someone else's house, okay? You're doing a great job.
And shoes.
And shoes. Yeah. Don't worry about it. You're doing a great job.
Talking about it. Shoes. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah. They just came out.
All right, got it out of here. Hey, you totally missed it.
You
Man. We had a
missed-
special moment.
we missed
You're
it.
no longer a part of it now.
Look at that.
Oh,
my God. These are
Yeah,
cool.
these are cool.
I like
Yeah, these
these.
are cool.
These are cool.
Aren't those
We
great?
like these.
Is that a pancake?
Is that a pancake? Those are poker chips. And it's a roulette wheel.
Wait, you made these?
Hold on, check this out, Gav. Gav.
Yeah.
We got the $100 bills here, pal.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like mine.
Right?
We got the Benjamin Franklin's.
Check them out, cousin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We got the casino, and then we got
Yes.
Those are my
straight
favorite.
flush, baby. Yeah. So
What's
that's
that?
it. That's the casino theme.
You like Biff.
You like Biff, man? All right?
Who's Biff?
Don't know.
Don't ask. If you don't know who Biff is, you shouldn't even be asking. Yeah, that's what we got going on over here. All right. So, in closing, you want to make sure that there's no tension. I repeat, no tension in your marriage. Okay? Don't have any tension in your marriage. You want all the tension to be in your H-stake and your display. Okay? Check out laurenssupplycandy.com. The other website I want you to check, and you can check them at Signway online. I think it's .com or .net. I can't remember for sure. And they're offering some, listen, they're family-owned business, you know, and I love these guys. I am putting together a program with them that I'm not going to share with you about that's super exciting, and it's what I've been working on for the last 3 weeks. And they are approved vendors, and so if you're looking to purchase any products, please check out Lawn Candy Supply. The link is in the description below. It's an affiliate code. And then also check out Signway.com. Signway online, I think .com. It's either .com or .net. I'll put it in the link below. But Alezra and Mindy are awesome. They're big supporters of the channel. And they also have a Facebook group as well. You can check them out too. So if you're looking to purchase themes and flares, you got 2 approved vendors who are kick-ass people. You saw the casino stuff, and I'm in the process of getting stuff from Signway as well. All right? Use the affiliate code for lawncandysupply.com, and then with Signway, we're going to get something working in that dynamic also. I'm going to see if they can get me an affiliate code too for some flair and whatnot. But that's it, gang. That's what we got happening, and that's it. So make sure you're having an awesome day, and thanks for letting me ramble on today. I had a video where I was just having a bad day, and I just needed to vent. I was not feeling like Biff, and then I did, and everything was better. So let me edit this thing and get it out to you guys. And that's it. Make it happen. We'll see you soon. Bye now.